What do you think? I didn't take those out. I thought you'd be good with just the two of them for now. Apparently I was wrong. Okay. What do you think?
Pink.
There's purple and pink, you're right. There you go. With your manners?
Yellow.
You're welcome. That's a big one, you're right. There. Uh-oh. Honey, why don't you put it here on the hardwood? That work better? See, it'll go if you try again.
Oh no!
Let's try again. Pick them up. Pick up the daddy. Stand it up gently. Now pick up the other one. Try again. Gently. You did it! See? What's that?
Oh no, I see.
Now you don't know, you'll see? Okay, let's look. Let me know if you need some help. What is that? Wow. What a lucky girl. What is that?
Look.
You gonna look? What is it?
Oh no.
Oh, just pick it up. Can you say thank you? Pardon me? Gabrielle, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
What? What?
It's white? And what's the other one? Brown. That's right. Do you like your birthday presents?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad. Can you say thank you now?
And mommy.
That's the mommy. And who's the other one?
Daddy.
Daddy. And who's next to that?
Dad.
Okay, say thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And your manners, you say?
Back.
Gabrielle,
Back.
I know you're busy. Can you listen to me, please? Can you please say thank you? No, with real words.
I know.
Okay, good girl.
I know.